Hi fashionistas, and welcome back to What's in Your Wardrobe with me, Amy. Last time we did a purge it or keep it, and today I'm sharing how to pack smart for business casual, weekend, or getaway small trips. Before we dive in, quick side note, it was my birthday last weekend and I treated myself to this gorgeous poly pocket glass cup, and I'll be sipping it while I share today's tips. It's my new little favorite luxury and I was super excited to buy it. All right, so let's start with what business casual actually means. Let's think polish, but not overly formal. So for example, some tailored pants, blouses, skirts, dresses that aren't too flashy. And we were trying to avoid like ripped jeans, overly short skirts, or anything too sparkly or club-like. Some fabrics that would be good are like cotton, silk, lightweight knits to keep it professional but comfortable. And you can add a blazer or a cardigan for that instant sophistication. All right, let's talk about my 3-2-2 strategy for a weekend getaway or a short few days away in business casual style. So I would start with 3 tops, 2 blouses, and 1 layering piece, which would be like a cardigan or a blazer, 2 bottoms, 1 pair of tailored pants, and 1 skirt. Or if you don't like a skirt, you can do a pair of versatile trousers. And then 2 pairs of shoes. 1 pair would be a comfortable pair like loafers, flats, or chic sneakers. And then 1 polished pair like heels or ankle boots. So this will help you with the mix and match style because you can get multiple looks without looking like you overpacked, but enough for you to have bunch of styles you can wear all weekend long at this conference or this wonderful retreat you're on. Okay, let's talk about accessories and a little bit of those pieces that you might need to elevate that look. So accessories are your secret weapon. It could be scarves, belts, and jewelry. They definitely elevate the outfits without taking up too much space. And then you're questioning, what if it's really cold? Well, you can bring an outerwear piece, like a trench coat or a heavier coat for layering. And then essentials, you don't want to forget the pajamas, of course, the undergarments, the toiletries, and a tote maybe that helps carry your laptop. I say stick to a neutral palette or at least no more than 3 colors in your ensemble because that will help out mix and matching everything together. Even if you have like a light gray pair of trousers and a dark gray sweater, sometimes I'm always like, well, it doesn't match, it's not perfect, it doesn't matter. So if you have a dark color gray and a light color gray, it's a perfect match. And if you can match it with a light gray pair of trousers with a blazer that goes with it, then you're all in. So this will be a great tool for you to follow and a good tip to help you out. So after I gather all of my items, I put it in front of me so I can visually see what I'm going to be packing. And once I see it all, I can visualize, all right, this outfit will go with this. Maybe this color may not go, but usually you kind of visualize and you kind of know if this is going to be an outfit you're going to wear. Don't go out and buy stuff. It's like, oh, I don't have this pair of color trouser pants. You can do with what you have. Don't feel like you have to go out and buy something just to wear for that weekend. And obviously no one's gonna remember or know, oh, she just bought that just for her trip. No one cares. So I always look at my items and then I start rolling them up and then I put them into these compression cubes, and that helps up save my space, and I can put more like my toiletries in without cramming everything into one area. And also if I have a laptop, obviously I always put it in that compartment too instead of like a bag, because sometimes I like having like a nice tote or a nice handbag. Sometimes people bring like a tote bag, you can stuff it into your suitcase or your travel bag, so you can put that within your laptop if you're going to a conference or you need it on hand. But yeah, so once you start seeing everything, it's perfect, and then you're like, yes, I'm done, I'm ready to be finished packing. And then you also know that you haven't overpacked, which is a great thing to know, because overpacking can really freak somebody out and overwhelm them. So that's the point. This 3-2-2 formula is a great tool to use if you're only going away for a few days. Formula for smart business casual packing: enough to keep you polished, confident, and versatile for any short trip. So if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. This will help me tremendously. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment below what's your must pack business casual piece. And if you can, share this video with your friends. And thank you for joining me, and cheers with my birthday cup to What's in Your Wardrobe with Amy. Happy packing, and I will see you next time. Bye.